In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge layers in Photoshop using 3 simple methods, depending on what you want to do. Whether you want to clean up your layers panel, combine just a few specific layers, or merge everything that's visible into one layer, I'll walk you through it step by step. This is a really useful skill for keeping your projects organized and speeding up your workflow. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's cover the best option when you only want to combine a few specific layers. This is called merging selected layers. It's great for cleanup when your project has a lot going on, and you want to simplify just a section of it without affecting everything else. To do this, go to your Layers panel. Then hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac, and click the specific layers you want to merge. You can select as many layers as you need, as long as they're the ones you want to combine into a single layer. Once those layers are selected, press Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac. Photoshop will instantly merge those selected layers into one. This is one of the easiest ways to clean up a document without changing the rest of your composition. Now let's look at the fastest method, which is Merge Down. This is the option you use when you want to combine one layer into the layer directly beneath it. It's perfect when you already know exactly which 2 layers should become one. To use Merge Down, click on the top layer in your Layers panel. Make sure it's the layer you want to blend into the one below. Then press Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac. Photoshop will merge that layer down immediately. This method is super quick, but just remember that it only merges the active layer with the layer underneath it. So if you need to merge more than 2 layers, or you want more control, the first method is usually better. Next, let's go over Merge Visible. This one is really useful when you want to combine every visible layer in your project into a single layer, while keeping hidden layers untouched. It's a great way to flatten part of your design without fully flattening the entire file. To do this, make sure the layers you want included are visible. Then press Ctrl+Shift+E on Windows or Command+Shift+E on Mac. Photoshop will merge all visible layers into one. This is especially helpful when you want to create a cleaner version of your artwork, prepare a file for export, or simplify a complex document. The hidden layers will stay where they are, so you still have access to them later if needed. So let's quickly recap. If you want to merge only certain layers, select them with Ctrl or Command and press Ctrl or Command+E. If you want to merge just one layer into the one below it, use Merge Down with Ctrl or Command+E. And if you want to combine all visible layers, use Ctrl or Command+Shift+E. A quick tip. Before merging layers, it's always a good idea to save a copy of your file, especially if you think you might need to edit those individual layers later. Once layers are merged, you lose some flexibility, so keeping a backup can save you a lot of time. And that's how to merge layers in Photoshop using the 3 most common methods. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new Photoshop tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.